What's going on? Yellow.
Yo, that GameStop was going crazy yesterday.
Yeah, not anymore though. What are you guys liking this morning?
Yo.
Yo,
What's going on?
I like SMCI, bro.
Yo.
Yo.
Damn. Everybody's on here.
Stuff is you.
I think what I'm gonna see is which one is weaker to the level Nvidia or SMCI, but I like both a lot.
I like Google as well, but I'm not sure about liking it a lot though.
SMCI kind of seems like the closest, right?
Yeah, SMCI is gonna be the one I have ready.
Yo, Frankie, if you take Google, would you take in the money?
What are the options?
180, 175.
Yeah, 175s. Well,
I just don't
yeah,
know how expensive
yeah,
they are.
175s for sure.
All right.
Just see how expensive or how cheap they are.
I feel like Google's kind of far.
Damn GME.
I like that at 178.
You guys saw what happened to GME?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No such thing anymore.
He's not making $1 billion today.
You gotta do a poll. What do you think is gonna happen?
Yo, I think it'd be mad funny if he just sold. I don't think he's gonna
Imagine,
do
bro.
that. That'd be crazy. You think it'd just sell off like ridiculously?
What if he sold on live?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'd have to be there for that one.
I wrote trade ideas out as well. Contracts I'm looking at for each one of them.
There you
What
go.
is this, Frankie? This is a thing?
Yeah.
Yo, this is dope. What the hell?
Everyone who says plus 60, I know they're in GME.
Yeah, no
Yeah.
cap. A lot of people were asking Connor yesterday about GME today.
You probably would have been. I don't know. I don't think I can say that with North streaming.
No, I'm streaming.
I got 1650 GME puts. I hope he sells for you, brother. So we're having SMCI here at the Open.
Yeah.
Only if you like it.
Yeah, I like it.
SMCI to the downside. Yeah. SMCI is dropping already. Not taking any first candles, tell you that much.
Honestly, on SMCI, definitely not.
You can miss me with that one. What strike? I wrote it down in the trade ideas, but it's the 750 puts I'm looking at.
The 740s have really good open interest, so I'll be probably looking at those. Just depends on the volume.
I'm with you guys on not taking anything off the first candle.
We've had a lot more new people recently too. It's a Friday. Fridays are super volatile. Go in with lighter size, usually with half the size that you're doing. Fridays are just known to be risky, so you can always trade next week contracts. I'm more than happy to, but we like to trade same days, so just be on top of it today with your stop losses.
Also,
SMCI is right at a 30-minute trend. Like if we come down to 755, we break it.
yo, really quickly, we're announcing the winners tonight for the 10 people who are winning the free month in the chat. If you haven't already, screenshot that you signed up for Moomoo and you funded your account and send it to Stock Hours so nobody can say they weren't entered or anything. Because we have the list, and then I'll just compare it to the Stock Hours DMs. So once you've done that, send it to the Stock Hours DMs today. I'm going to announce it tonight. All right. Let's see what happens here.
Are we
Nvidia.
switching to the video?
I might switch over soon. Let's see what happens with SMCI though. There you go.
The video is kind of just moving with NQ and ES right now.
Mm-hmm.
There's a pretty big wall at 760 for SMCI.
You would take an early entry there?
No, but I would want to see how it reacts if it breaks that going into the pre-market low and then going into 755.
I got you.
Maybe if it was any other day, George, I'd probably try it, but for a Friday, I think I'm good.
Yeah, nah.
If I say I'm switching over to look at Nvidia, the contracts I'm looking at are the 1170s now. The 1170 puts.
I think I'm gonna get the video ready myself.
Never know. Tesla, just pop in here.
SMCI is coming down quick here.
Is it?
Yeah.
I was trying to get below 760, but
Where do you guys like
it's like
it?
$4 away anyway. What'd you say, Benji?
I was asking where you guys like it.
At 755. I don't like any sort
What
of
do you got
early
your
entry.
alert at?
755.50.
Okay. It's pretty much what I have, Frankie. Google is above 177.
Yeah, Google don't look too bad there against the market as well.
Yeah.
Nvidia kind of looks like it has a head start here. We're trying to.
I wrote a trade idea for Google as well.
Google.
Mm-hmm.
Jimmy halted. I don't even have that pulled up. Let's see. Sure is.
Yeah, it's frozen, George.
Nor, did you see that 4-hour setup I sent on Tesla?
Yeah. I don't even know. I'm still waiting though.
No, I am too. I was seeing if you saw it.
Yeah.
I'm switching to
Bro.
Nvidia, bro.
I did. I just did. I'm looking at the video 1170 puts, guys.
5-minute trend right at a 1182.
Yeah, I'm waiting for 1180, thankfully. Remember, it's Friday. I'm in these 1170 puts.
It's too late, right?
No. Yeah. Contracts moving all right here.
Google's running. I stopped out in the video personally.
It's Friday. You're gonna get these bounces. Old market is bounced.
I think I'm gonna get Google ready.
That's what I
Oh,
have
I
ready.
missed Google.
which ones? The 175? Yeah, 175s. The one of these are like $12.
I'm looking at the 177.50s because those are still in the money. Rejected right at the 1-minute trend so far, Benji and Kevin.
We're not getting SMCI, so that won't be a trade today.
What's your stop for Nvidia?
1199. Did Google break?
Nah.
Mm-mm.
Vindrel, or however you say that, sorry. The one we look at for Google is always, it has a L, not that one. FYI.
If Nvidia breaks 1200, it's probably gonna rally here. They got a trend at 1204. Everything popped. Pre-market low on Nvidia is 1177. Even on a day for divergence for Google, this still pulls back. Yeah, I keep getting alerts for GME. They halted it.
Yeah, it's
The
at
halt alerts
44,
keep
bro.
popping up for me. Market's flat. Everything's flat here. NQ, ES.
The video look like it's going for it again, Nor. I'm not sure if you're interested, but
Yeah, I think I was muted. SPY and NQ are moving higher. Or trying to, at least. SPY is. Anything happen with SMCI? No.
Still far.
Google, 177.07. Meta touched 490.17. I believe that was the same low from yesterday. Maybe a 50 cents off there. Frankie, you see anything? Frankie's quiet.
oh, I'm muted. I said that Nvidia and SMCI are really the only clean setups that I have at the moment.
SMCI is at high of day already. Look at SPY. SPY just
My
broke
prop
out.
My problem with Google, it's behind the market now. Google, I
Yeah.
usually only like taking if it has market divergence, and it's not doing that.
Tesla back at yesterday's high, 179. Damn, these move.
Google's diverging and pushing close to 178 again. If you're interested, Frankie.
I think I'm just
Kind
gonna
of without the
watch.
market. Yo, E, how many contracts you got?
2.
How much were they? Like 5?
So like, you said 199 stop loss, right?
Yeah, 11.99. Cause you got in way after us.
Yeah, that shit was funny. That shit was started glitching out.
See, guys, if Nvidia was moving ahead of the market, 1200 would look like a play that I could take, but it's sort of grinding here. We'll see once we get a candle there. Google with the reversal again. Frank, you plan on taking that or something?
No, I'm only focused to the downside, but I just saw that.
GameStop doesn't even get a chance to resume. It's only getting like 1 candle, 2 candles max. Just touching it again, Frankie.
Yeah, I'm just watching it right now.
Yeah, I'm switching over to the 1200 calls. E. I'm switching. Yeah. I'm looking at these 1200 calls on the video. Pre-market high, I believe, is 1198. I'm gonna have a $5 stop on this, like the first one, and then target would be over 1205. But I think I'm only gonna sell half at 1205. Rest, I'm gonna look to sell at 1210. Looking at the 1200 calls. How much are these? Oh, actually 1210. Yeah, looking at the 1210 calls. I'm not taking it if it skips right through, guys. So, because the hive day is right below 1200. So it's very easy for this to get through hive day and then just shoot through 1200. Needs to show strength ahead of the market. Where's SMCI here? 780.
If the market shows any sign of weakness, or it comes down while Google's pushing, or has any sort of momentum candle into that high, then I'll consider Google.
Where is it? Oh, 177.30.
Yeah, it's behind right now, so I'm not gonna trade it. But that specific scenario is the only way I trade this stock now.
Damn, GME is back down to 39.
I'm looking at. Man, my voice is gone, bro. I'm looking at SPY bits.
Uh-oh. What
Looking at the
level? Or
530.
not yet?
It's right here. Like, this is where I want to take the route. Never mind. It dropped.
What contracts?
It's too late. Unless it like comes back to 534.
Oh wow, Nvidia's holding up
Nvidia
strong.
showing, yeah.
Let's see. I have an alert set at 1198.80. Looking at the 1210 calls on Nvidia. And we have news in 3 minutes. It's not that serious of news, but might get a move here. Maki, there was also news at 10, 2 minutes. One minute left here. Kevin, you watching this?
Yeah, I'm watching it. I might take it too.
For which one?
What are you watching? Google.
Nah.
Nvidia.
You wanna see the shit?
Just pass it. Where is it?
For the Nvidia put the puts. I'm looking at that shit like, bro, why is my shit still going up and down? My fault, bro.
Cause you did limit. When you go to try to sell it again, do market. It's still there, so you once you try to sell it again, press market instead. But it's dropping, so I would just use the same stop you had before, the 1195, 1196 area.
I don't like that stuff. It was what we had, the 1200 calls, puts?
No, we had the 1180. You know how to do it now? It says mark. It says limit somewhere, right? LMT or LIMT when you go to sell.
I don't know, it just says buying, that's what I don't know.
Let me see.
You did that yesterday, I was looking like, how the fuck we get market and limit?
And the puts play on SPY still looks good, but Nvidia is about to happen.
That shit don't got like a limit or a market, right?
Nvidia just held its level, so it might actually do something.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Just how it looks.
See, it says market now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
Use quick trade the way I just did it from that screen. When,
Okay,
see how it says quick on the bottom right,
yeah.
and then you can pick your contracts. What were you saying, Maki? I didn't hear you.
I said the puts play on SPY is still happening, but Nvidia is gonna happen as well at the same time.
Which one do you like better?
What's the target for Nvidia? Like
Because
1200.
Nvidia was originally moving ahead of the market. It's not anymore. Meta's starting to come down. Things are starting to come down here slowly. Google. So downside is still there for it. There's a higher probability this comes down before it goes up here.
What you looking at?
But if this moves up to 1198, I'll be looking to take the 1210 calls. $1198.80 is my my alert. You got out of those?
No, I thought you said still play. Get up.
No. I'm saying you could use the same stop you had before, which was 1195, 1196. We're only 36. We're only 36 minutes in, so let's give it a sec. QQQ is weak, Maki.
Yeah, it's way weaker.
It's on a trend from pre-market, but multiple tests. 1, 2, 3, 4, like 6, 7 tests right now on that trend.
I'm starting to like Nvidia more now. No, if this gets ahead.
Yeah, I'm trying here. It's congested between this 1185 and 1220, but if this gets ahead, it'll get a nice little rally. SPY is trying, like. I think we'll get something soon, downside or upside, but we're gonna get something on Nvidia. It won't be sideways for that long. I want to see aggressive candles. So you get a green candle here, Frankie, and then Nvidia is kind of just flat. I want to see if any unusual sweeps came in for GameStop. Nope.
GME's back to open.
Is it?
Mm.
Yeah, 37.
Blowout stop.
It's because so many people got stuck as well previously, so they're just getting out of their position. My stop on Nvidia when I play this is going to be around 1194, 1195 area, and my target's going to be 1210. So it's about a $5 stop and then a $10 target. Maki, you want to tell Spy to do something?
It's stuck at the area it sold off from yesterday.
If Nvidia breaks to the downside, are you gonna take it at 1180 or before that?
Yeah, around there, 1181. Nothing too early. Why? Where do you want to take it?
I'm just looking at it. I don't know if we get. I don't know. I prefer
I
the
mean, we have to
downside
see,
more,
I have to see
honestly.
how those candles start moving. Right now, we're just consolidating.
Yeah.
Put it on the 5-minute. If you want to see something happen. If it does drop, you could buy more.
It's looking nice towards the downside.
Yeah, we said that, but let's see if it happens.
It's still bouncing, Kevin. Like from the level.
It's up to you.
Look, I'll send a picture. He just won't let go.
What would you do?
I would just stick to the.
Stick to the plan?
Yeah.
I'm fighting for this thing, brother.
Because let's say it does hit 95, 96, and then you end up playing the upside. That can make like a a 3-to-1 reward on there, so it'll pay. And there goes SPY. And Nvidia's not moving. SPY's a higher probability we get the downside, unless it's just a consolidation break to the upside without the without the market. I'm staying on the 5-minute for Nvidia. I haven't changed the chart, guys. It's the only chart I need to look at right now. Frank, you still around?
Yeah, what's up?
No, I was just seeing if you were still around.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
All right, let's hurry that ass up because this consolidation is getting annoying. SPY is ripping. NQ is trying to push. Nvidia's stuck in the same place. The one thing I gotta pay attention to is Nvidia just doing its own thing? Because even if it's not moving up with the market, doesn't mean that this can't break out. So if the market ends up coming back down, Nvidia's still stuck in the same place, then Nvidia is on its own. Then it's just solely Nvidia price action that I care about. Or if the market comes down here and Nvidia starts dropping, then it's ahead of the market. It's weak. So it's just things to pay attention to pre-trade here. His stream's at 12, right?
Mm.
Alright, red candle on futures. Starting to move here on Nvidia. Obviously, nothing important yet until we break below 1185, and then we have to hold there. SMH is at 251.72. Try to get ahead of yesterday's range, but couldn't. GameStop just broke 35. It's probably gonna halt. Only things that I'm seeing right now.
Mike, you shouldn't have showed me that. Now I kind of want to play the bounce. Let's see if it holds.
See if it holds,
Should be
right?
interesting.
Holds. You got 10 things to worry about with GameStop.
It's not holding. Let go.
They're gonna hold it though.
But I was thinking he's not gonna be able to sell it wherever he wants to.
I mean, bro, he's in the money. He has the $20 calls.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is, with that kind of size, it's probably gonna halt. Like, and if he keeps gapping down, he's not gonna get the price he wants.
He just needs to close above 20 today. He'll still be a lot richer than than before. It'll exercise.
It is bouncing. It's actually holding, guys. Oh, what contracts can I play though?
How much are they?
They're 400. Yo, the spread is nasty though.
Even on like let's say $35 calls?
Oh, it's tightening. It's getting tighter. Yeah, I'm gonna do it with one contract for fun.
You're gonna try it?
With one contract.
George, are you still here? Oh, that boy gone.
I didn't even know George was here this morning.
I heard him say yo, and then
What was he looking
I haven't
at?
heard him.
Or what are
I
you
think
looking at right now?
I think Nvidia, the same, the one we all took.
I'm saying, what are you looking at? To call George.
I was just seeing if he liked Nvidia or if he was just waiting for anything else or just gone.
Yeah, I'm up 10% on GME.
One contract. That's how I would play GameStop. I'm surprised they didn't hold it though.
And this is how it looks now. Yo, that algo caught the exact bottom. I'm up 20%. Why did I do one contract, bro?
As you said, you were at
30%.
20%. It just popped crazy.
Oh my god, I'm so stupid for doing one contract.
Yo.
You say that, but imagine you got in with like a regular full position on like your Friday position, and it just drops like another $5.
Nah, it's not even that. It's like, even if it holds, it's like, I don't even want to be in that hole. Not on a day like this. Yeah.
Just something doing spirit.
I held it.
It halted? Yeah.
Yeah, I guess I'm stuck in this.
How much were you up? Like right before? Like 30? 40?
120 bucks.
But what percent is like 30?
It's 30%, yeah. Yo, someone went with heavy size. Look at Eric.
Yo, Eric is crazy.
Yo. Uh,
Shit going down.
Millie, I assume you would. This time's always against you. I mean, I think theta really only affects you in those kinds of plays if it pulls back or consolidates.
Bro, it's GameStop. These Greeks right now don't matter. Theta pops up as soon as it unholds. I mean, not theta. IV pops as soon as this thing unholds.
Hmm. Yeah, Nick. I just want this whole GME thing to be over again.
If this opens at 38, you selling, Maki?
I'm gonna put a sell target for 100%. That means you would need to hit 44.
44?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's the kid who traded the FV stock. We were looking for him the other day, weren't we, Mo? You still made money on it at least.
Yo, Frankie, how much more time you giving this?
Bro, I don't know. Probably till 11.
I just want the consolidation to end or something. Market's still pushing like, well, SPY is, but NQ is struggling. I don't know how much that's going to affect this soon, but that's not a good sign.
Seeing it just means the stock cannot be traded for X amount of time. Usually it's like 5 minutes whenever a halt happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jose, you're just itching over there, bro. Nah, I'm playing. I mean, you're the SMCI goat now. So, I mean,
We're $20 away.
Come on, baby.
Right, that's cool, but look at like it's weaker than the market, right? So I'm not gonna be a fan of playing the Nvidia bounce. I don't know, it might work out. We'll see. SPY play is not ready yet. It's just consolidating. What I'm looking for is a pullback below 534 to play calls.
GME.
Bounce play. GME what? On halt?
It's going to unhold soon, but I think this is going to open a lot higher here. There it goes.
It just open.
They need to hold 37.60.
20% now. I think I'm not gonna wait for 44. I was just playing, guys. There's so many obstacles along the way to 44 that it makes no sense.
Tell him to stream earlier. Random seller on Nvidia at 1192. 10,000 shares. YouTube, Millie.
I don't know how that shit just jumped like that.
SPY just started dropping.
Yeah, Jordan, I might actually do that. I mean, I'm still up 10% on this pullback. I'm chilling. It's either break even stop or I wait for this guy to go on stream and
This
skyrocket this thing.
the guy you're talking about is about to be a billionaire.
I played the 35s. I played in the money and I was up 30%. I could have played the 40s. That would have been nuts. But I did in the money. Hopefully SPY happens soon. Contracts I'm looking at for SPY are the 535 calls.
I'm walking away in 24 minutes. Exactly. Frankie.
I can get behind that.
Eastern time,
Lost.
11 a.m.
Let me know if Nvidia gets close. I'm doing something on WAP right now.
All right. Yo, Mo, 83 minutes. In YouTube, Ball Pre. Market just ripped. QQQ is getting there too.
Can you solve this for me?
Yeah. What's that noise?
Just keep saying this fail.
Let me see. Oh, you're already out, I think.
But why's my money?
Oh wait. Let's try this again.
Did Maki take that? No. I'm waiting for a pullback. Like I'm not playing anything here.
This shit's still glitching, right?
Oh, bro.
Hmm.
You clicked the 1180 puts. You have the 1170. Yo,
1180 puts.
you wrote down the 1180. Alright, there we go.
I had the 1170
Yeah, no, but it had the 1180s
type shit.
typed out. You want to get rid of it?
Yeah, I mean, we're down 780. I'll take that out. Or what you think?
Just whatever you want.
Yeah.
Market's ripping though. The fuck is this? Let's see if this feels.
Spy's doing the move without me. It's annoying as hell. Here comes GME. Might halt again. %35 on GME. This is fun. It kills the boredom
No, I put it right there though.
while we wait for Spy.
But now it's ready. That's why, because you would have tried to sell something you didn't have before.
Type shit, alright.
That was so confusing.
Is Nvidia fighting?
The whole market pushing except Nvidia.
Like, I've been trying to watch it fight, bro, but this shit is playing with me.
Yo, the whole market pushing Frankie except Nvidia right now.
Let me see. Yeah.
Still in consolidation, so nothing matters yet. Damn, Meta 498. Market rallies, has one red candle. Nvidia drops $4.
Bro, it's just twerking between 1195 and 1187.
All right, Kevin, pause. Under 1190 on the bid now.
Every time I about to set foot with the decimal. I'm stuck in a trap right here.
There's a 1 minute trend there now, Frankie.
Oh, fuck.
Joe, I just want something to happen, bro. There's no way I took one trade today and it was red.
Nice, Frankie.
Oh, did you see that in the chat?
Hilarious. That was from last month.
I think that one was from 2 months ago that he tried.
All right, Nvidia, come on. Yo, Asian boy still here?
Yo.
This is the exact area this ranged last time. I think Nvidia is gonna slip, but upside or downside, hope we'll be here to take advantage.
Why do people keep asking me about GME like it's a signal?
You should know what comes with it if you talk about GME in the chat, Maki.
That's why it attracts so much attention.
Should I buy? Should I buy?
Hurry up. All right, Frankie, if in 12 minutes this is at, let's say, 1184, are you going to stick around?
If it's $5 or less away, I'll stay. But if it's just gonna stay here at 11.90 and do nothing, I'm out.
I have to ask, you know.
No, yeah, if it's like $5 close to either side, then I'll stay. If not, if it's just gonna stay like 11.90, I'll just leave. It's not the craziest setup for me to waste my time on.
Yo, Putin just said we can hold nuclear tests, but there's no need for it now. Putin woke up on the wrong side of the bed today.
He was popping off yesterday.
Yeah.
I think it was yesterday.
He said we can hold nuclear tests. God bless.
I think ES is testing all time high.
Test it over America. There's no repercussions. That's why. Andrew.
It's like us testing contracts, and it's a piece of cake.
I like the noise of that. 'Cause All right, market's moving lower, Nvidia's moving higher. Playing hide and seek with Nvidia today. Who's playing GME when he goes live today? I wonder how he looks. I think he looks the same.
Probably just more groomed because of all the money.
He was very conservative though. He didn't even want to quit his job when he was up like 40 million, 20 million. I don't know if times have changed, but eight minutes, Frankie. What percentage are you guys at? I think they're up like 20, 25%, maybe 20.
It's 18%. I have my stop at break even. It's a bracket order. So you would need to make an almost a new low for me to get out. I rejected this channel. I'm gonna get a play soon. This is how SPY looks with the daily chart channel.
Breathe.
Man.
Frankie, what we doing?
What do you mean?
Like, what are we doing right now? I just kicked up my feet.
I don't know, bro.
This was like one of them days.
Worst comes to worst, Frankie, we'll take a GameStop trade, right?
Huh? I'm with what my friend said.
Huh?
I'm with what my friend said.
What?
Ice soup for the day.
Ice soup?
Ice, yeah, like a bowl of ice for
Oh.
lunch.
I surely better not even try to talk to when I go back in the crib.
No patience.
SPY's getting close.
What contracts you looking at?
I'm looking at the 536 calls. I'm about to sell GME. Getting close to my break even. Sold GME break even. That was fun. Just one contract. Alright guys, I'm looking at SPY 536 calls next day expiration.
That's what he's looking at.
No, you don't think there's a chance that this can just consolidate all day because it splits over the weekend?
No, not all day. Like the most, like another hour. I don't even know if it'd make it another hour, but it's possible. That's why I'm like debating right now what I should do.
I have my contracts ready. The spy calls. Looks good to me. I have my finger on the trigger. Just want to see that shift in momentum first. If it doesn't hold here, then I'll be looking at that 50-cent area. Slightly lower. Patience with this one because it's still falling. Looks like it wants to break that uptrend, so I'm looking at 40 cents now for a calls entry.
The trend is at what, like 70?
It's a, yeah, like 35, 35 on the 1 minute.
Okay, okay. Frankie, you just
MOC. Is Nvidia close?
no.
Okay, I'm watching that 40-cent level. That's where I want the calls playing. If it bounces here, I have no trade. Just a little lower. I need my stop to be tighter. That's the reason why. Guys, these contracts are too cheap. So I've miscalculated. I'm switching over to the 535 calls. Switching over to 535 calls on the next day expiration. At that bounce level, at the first bounce level, they were okay. But not anymore. Patience. Needed below 50 cents. Beautiful. Okay, now let's see how it behaves. Looks good now. Still waiting. But it looks really good. Just want to see the turnaround. Wow, GME broke its algorithm and said peace out. I'm ready to take the entry on SPY. I'm in, guys. I'm in SPY calls. Stop loss is below 534. Buyers got aggressive above that, below 40 cents, so I'm using that as entry.
What'd you say?
I'm expecting 40 cents to hold here.
36 calls? 536 calls? I mean 535 calls?
So I have a 30-cent stop loss on this. Risk reward's about 3 to 1 here.
My whole thing is why I keep showing that they don't got the market shit.
Let me see. You got filled though?
I believe so.
Let me see. Watch the charge. Oh yeah, you did fill. You bought 10.
Charges right there. How do you show like the get to the market and shit?
Approaching stop
You press quick
loss.
trade right here. Quick trade.
Down
And then it says
4%.
order type market.
Copy. So you click on it on the option shit, then it'll come up over there.
Yeah.
Copy.
Show how much you're up. Oh yeah.
Down about 5%. I think the stop, if I stop out, it's gonna be about 10%. Exactly in the range that I want.
Be up or down.
You're out. I just want to see what if it updates quicker.
Green again.
So you want to sell.
What we need here is 40 cents to hold. We need to spend time over 40 cents.
What's your fill price? Let's see. Oh, 76. All right, you bought for 76.
What am I up like $50?
Nah, $10. Wait, what contracts are these
The 535.
for today?
Yeah.
Target's 530, 520.
Wow, what happened?
No, I was just making sure.
It still can't spend time over 40, so it's not ready yet for the turnaround.
I typed it up.
Appreciate it.
Come on, make a decision already. Again, my stop loss is below 534. If it flushes through aggressively, I'm just gonna hit sell. If it hovers around that area, then I'm gonna look for a hold below. So got my finger on the trigger here. Green again. Just hovering around. Needs to make a decision. For us to successfully get this play, it needs to hold or spend time at 40. So far, I haven't seen that not once.